The Spirit E310 gas grill has generous grilling space, along with consistent and superior temperature control, essential backyard chef features, and it's all rolled up into an affordable gas grill package. The porcelain enameled lid features a center-mounted thermometer that accurately reads the inside temperature of the grill for preheating and cooking. A roomy storage area is enclosed by a painted steel door. There is ample space inside for both the LP tank and grilling accessories. For safety as well as function, the Spirit gas grill features two heavy-duty back swivel casters and two heavy-duty front locking casters that allow you to easily maneuver your grill on your deck or patio and then lock it in place. For food preparation and handy entree plating, the Spirit gas grills have large stainless steel work surfaces that flank both sides of the grill. The front-mounted knobs and valves are precisely engineered to accurately control the stainless steel burners. The electronic ignition makes lighting a breeze, and the crossover ignition system allows you to light the other burners off the first without having to hit the ignition switch again. The easy-to-read fuel gauge accurately measures the amount of LP gas in the tank, so meal planning becomes a breeze. Inside the Spirit gas grill, porcelain enameled cast iron cooking grates heat evenly and sear foods beautifully. The Spirit E310 gas grill is essential for the griller who demands power and performance, in addition to a quality grill investment that will serve the family for years to come.